This is a walkthrough of installing the Mosquitto broker onto the Raspberry Pi. To start off, we'll open the terminal and then type in the following command: sudo space apt-get space install space mosquitto space mosquitto-clients. Press enter and wait a little bit. Yes, we want to continue. Now we'll type in sudo space /etc /init.d /mosquitto space start. And that's it. The Mosquitto service is now running and ready to start accepting connections. Thank you very much for watching. Stay creative.